Streamline data entry with pop-up menus and automatically fill values for multiple cells. Select cells containing desired values. Change data format to pop-up menu. Let numbers automatically fill in values for the pop-up menu. Speed up data entry by utilizing auto-complete suggestions based on previous entries. Begin typing and observe suggestions from previous entries. Use arrow keys to select desired suggestion and press Return to accept. Save time by correctly formatting cells through intuitive typing rather than manual adjustments. Type values with desired formatting, for example, currency dates. Verify that Numbers recognizes and applies the correct format automatically.